Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Goldberg. My goal is to enable you to make the most out of Mendix while sprinkling in a little value along the way. For those of you new to Mendix, it's a rapid application development or low-code platform which uses a visual development approach to build applications ranging from simple forms-based productivity tools to advanced software as a service applications and microservices. Oh, and REST APIs too. I'm really excited to share with you this series on creating and using REST APIs with Mendix. I'll walk you through creating a REST API and creating microflows to retrieve and manipulate data in a database. Specifically, we'll cover creating a simple data model and constructing the based REST API definition, import and export mappings along with message definitions, get, post, and delete methods. And while you don't have to be a Mendix pro or fluent in the technicalities of REST APIs, it does help to have a basic familiarity with the following: REST and RESTful services, including get, post, and delete methods, HTTP request and response, and JSON, or JavaScript object notation. Okay, let's go ahead and do this.